Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a beautiful collection of fancy soft silk sarees. The material is soft and light in weight. Beautiful embossed designs are running all over the body, through which unique symmetric putta weavings are there, along with a rich contrast or running pallu and a plain blouse. Beautiful symmetrical borders on both sides enhancing the elegance of this collection, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states shipping charges be 20, maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. Even if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp group for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. All these links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls, and note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or do any kind of UPI transactions. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.